Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. Today's your prep for today. I'm going to talk about something that some of you, when you think about it, may or may not be redundant in one aspect. In another aspect, it can become very important. And that is a solar-powered cell phone charger. Basically, it's one of those little doohickeys about this big. Has solar panels on one side, and it's got some either some lithium batteries in it, or most likely a lot of them have the nickel metal hydroxide batteries in it that's for recharging. And it has the USB ports on it that you can plug your cell phone into, so you can charge your cell phone up fairly quickly. This is one of the things you have to decide for yourself whether you want it or not. Now, some people will say, well, shoot, if we have an EMP and it wipes out your phone and stuff, you don't need to charge your phone anymore. True, but what if it's just the power going out for a week or 2 weeks? Like has happened to a lot of people that on my channels here and stuff that they've talked about it. Old School Prepper, I think she was without power for 10 days over there in Oregon. And there's some people from back east that have been out without power for like 2 weeks at a time. Well, if you can't plug your phone in to charge it, but you have a solar power, you can put it out there, charge it up, and then charge your phone up. You'd still be able to communicate in case there's an emergency. Also, if you happen to have one of the small unit ones in your glove box or whatever, and you're out traveling or whatever, and you didn't realize that the cell phone was going dead, and you've gotten out of the car and you've having problems with the car or whatever, yeah, you can use it to call with. Or if you're on vacation and you come back to the car, the battery's dead in the car, and your cell phone's dead, I can charge it up and I can get hold of somebody. That's most likely the scenario is going to find out your cell phone's dead and the car battery is dead, and you're going to need to call somebody. So you need some way of charging up your phone real quick. So there's options for it. You got to decide for yourself. Is this something you want? So think about it. Talk it over. If you have a significant other, talk it over with them. Figure out, is this something you want to spend some money on? They're not that expensive. Think of it as insurance. All right. So before I take off, I'm going to throw some links up here. Camp Pat Family Compound, my other channel over here. I'm going to put the playlist for prepping in private. No, prepping for beginners up here, prepping in private down here. And I'll put a video about sharing information down here. All right. See you around. Take care and get prepared and get others prepared. Why? This is why.